Is that what you needed in your life? You're so excited? Yeah. Here you go.
Okay.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Did you just have a good nap? Was it so good? Was it so good?
Oh, you like the classics, but I got a new one for you.
Oh, so close, my guy. Let me help.
Whoa, dude.
Is that what you needed in your life? Some daddy hat?
I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving, girls.
You gonna dance it out?
You love it? You love it once.
There you go. Hi, Dad. Hi. Olive got a little bit sad after her nap, so we decided we'll come to the dollar store, hey? We'll pick out some stuff for a nice little girly night and have a little slumber party.
Yeah.
Yeah, make Olive a little bit happier.
Look up.
Oh, really?
Look up. I can look up. I can look up.
You know what? That's some crazy stuff, my girl.
Now look.
What's up?
Look.
What do you see?
Look.
Ooh, those are little makeup brushes.
Look at brushes.
Makeup brushes.
Brushy.
Brushes, brushes, brushes. Okay, let's keep going and see what other cool stuff we can find, okay?
Okay, I got my nummy.
Oh yeah, you eat that nummies. Okay, you ready? So what did we get today?
My body.
A Barbie. It's one of these guys. So it doesn't really give any instructions on what we're supposed to do. So let's just open it up. Whoa.
No, Bobby.
What's gonna be inside? The box isn't the Barbie, see?
Bobby, Dad, Bobby.
Wow, that's so exciting, baby.
You wanna open it? Take it off? Oh my gosh, they're all in different pieces. So we got one. Can you count them?
3,
2.
Bobby.
Can you count them for Mom?
No, Bobby.
What is this thing? Let's open it all up. Okay, this is for the bathtub. Okay.
Let's see the Bobby.
Okay, let's open up what's next. Which one do you want to open first? You're so excited? Yeah. Which one do you want to open?
My Bobby, Bobby.
Yeah, the Barbie's gonna go in here. Which package do you want to open first?
My baby.
This one here?
My Bobby.
The baby one?
Baby.
Let's see what's in here. Ready? What is it? They're shoes!
Wow, they're so pretty. I love those ones.
Okay, which one do you want to open next?
No.
Which one's next?
Pretty cool, eh?
Which one do you want to open next?
Yeah.
Sweetie, which one do you want to open next? This one?
Yeah, baby. My Bobby.
Hey, what's in there? What is that? Is it a shirt? It's a skirt.
Okay, Mom.
The big one?
Yes. Okay, my dad.
You got
My
it.
Bobby, Dad.
Pull, pull, pull. Here, it's okay. Calm down. Everything's fine. We just gotta open it a little bit more. Okay, you can rip it open. Rip it open. I don't know why I'm doing this. You can do it. Whoa, keep going.
My Bobby.
Whoa. What's in here? What is it? Dad. Apollo, it's okay, buddy. He's so interested. Mommy's gonna go fill this up with water, okay? You look at your stuff, and I'll be right back.
Okay. Bobby is the guy, right?
Nice.
Cheeky the Bobby. The Bobby.
Not gone, not gone, Brian. He's not dead. He's very much alive. He's completely coming back. I'm just going to be in his bed more. I'm going to be doing my thing. I'll be doing your thing. I'm there.
We were supposed to know you were there.
idea. Coming! Let's eat. It's a food ghost town in here.
No, no. Okay, dip your Barbie in there. Ouch.
Look, Barbie is short. Mom, look, I don't know where you go.
Okay, just wait. Whoa. Whoa.
Yes.
Dip it. Ah. Pretty cool. Keep dunking her. Okay, and now I think you can take your sponge and clean it off.
Kissy the Barbie.
Kiss the Barbie.
Yes, Barbie, okay. It's a Barbie. It's a
Oh, I
good.
love the little head.
Okay. Mommy, go change the water.
That's so cool. I love it so much.
The water came pretty funky. Don't touch.
Ew, lucky
Pretty
wow.
cool, hey?
Yes, I guess so. This is a pretty.
You gonna put those shoes on already?
Good idea.
Okay.
Can you work on getting her dressed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Mom, I don't wave.
You can do it. That goes on the skirt. You can do it. That goes on the pants. The bottoms. Yeah, you can do it. We'll have to get all of them at the dollar store so you can have all the different Barbies.
Yes.
The colorful ones.
Yeah, this is a mommy.
You put the shoes on? Can you do that?
Yes. Cut.
You can do it. Look at you, just slide them right on, just like your feet.
Wow.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Do you love her?
Yes.
What's her name?
With the Barbie.
You're just gonna name her Barbie?
With the water.
The water Barbie?
Yes.
You should really get some rest, Rose. You've been up all night, waiting for me to come home when the dusk breaks light.